Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making delicious tuna patties, quick and easy. So let's get started. Yeah, for this recipe we have two 5-ounce cans of albacore tuna here, bumblebee, yep, 2 eggs, 1 stick of celery, and we're going to use about 1/4 of an onion chopped up, and we're going to use our Savio food processor here to chop everything up good. Okay, let's get started. Okay, make sure you squeeze all the liquid out of your tuna here, before you put it in your bowl. Now we'll do the other can here. Now we're just going to move this out of the way for a minute. Okay, today we're going to use 1 cup of oats here. Yep, and to chop them up, we're going to use our Savio food processor. Yeah, I'll show you that. Here's the big bowl. Yeah, we're not going to use the big bowl. That's really nice and they're sharp. We're going to use the little glass bowl that comes with it. Yeah. And these are sharp too. They come right out and they're easily cleaned. Really nice. We're going to put our oats right in there. Take our motor unit here. Can you see it? And we're going to put that right on top of there. Put that lid on. It's got a little silicone base. Put that on top. Lock it in there and hit the button. Okay, let's see how we did here. Wow, that looks pretty good. Nice and fine. Beautiful. Alright, we'll bring back our tuna now. And we'll go ahead and make sure that's crumbled up good. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we're going to add our oats that we just ground up. And we're going to put that aside again. Now we're going to take a piece of celery here. And we're going to just chop it up into chunks. We're not going to use the whole thing, but we're going to just go ahead and chop it up real quick. Okay. Now we're going to take our Savio chopper bowl here. And we're going to put that right in there. That little bit of celery. Then we're going to take our onion here. Now this is about 1/2 an onion, but we're not going to use it all, so we're just going to cut it up in chunks. Just like that. That'll be good. And we'll maybe cut it in half one more time. Okay. Then we'll put that in our chopper bowl here. Now we'll get ready to start chopping. That sounds good. Okay, we just put the lid on. Then the motor unit. And we start chopping. Boy, that's fast. Okay, let's see how we did here. Wow. That did a really good job in there. You can see it. Nice and chopped nicely. Alright, that's good. Now the neat part about this, you can just leave it right in the bowl. And if you can find a lid to put on top, you could store it that way for a while, But we don't need to do that. We're just going to go ahead and use it right out of there. Okay, let's go ahead and bring back our tuna and oats that we ground up. They're nice. And we'll add our onions and celery in there. Okay, let's move this out of the way again, our tuna. And we'll bring in another bowl here and we'll crack a couple eggs. Preferably without the shell. Now, to our eggs, we're going to add a little salt and a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, some dried chives, and some parsley, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yep, that should kick it up a notch. About 1/2 a teaspoon of rosemary, 1/2 a teaspoon of thyme, and 1/2 a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Yeah, boy, that looks good enough to eat right there. Yeah, with that smoked paprika, have you ever had smoked fish? So that adds that little smoky flavor in with the tuna, and when you fry it up, man, is it tasty. You ought to give it a try. Alright, let's mix that up. I know it don't look appetizing, but boy, it adds a lot of flavor. Okay, now we're going to bring back our tuna. And we're going to pour that right in there. Now we just mix all that in there. Okay, that's pretty good. Now all we have to do is make patties out of them. That sounds good. Let's get started doing that. Here, take a closer look. Nice and dry, yet a little bit sticky, so they'll stay together. Yep. Okay. Okay, let's start making patties. You just kind of get a handful, you know, and then you just make it into like a little ball, like a meatball, and you add to it if you need to make it bigger. It stays together pretty good. Looks like this is our last one. He's a little smaller, but that's all right. Okay, kind of make them nice. Straighten them up a bit. Here you go. Take a look. They're not too bad. That small one back here, can you see him? Yeah, he'll be all right. He's like a little snack. Okay. They're good looking though. Can you see them? Yep. Now all we have to do is fry these babies up. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's get to it. Okay, let's set our burner to medium and put some oil in the pan here. Make sure you put enough, you know. And we're going to let that warm up a little bit. Okay, I think our pan's hot enough here. We're going to put our nice tuna patties right in there. We're going to take one off of here. Put it right in there, that little guy. Boy, they look nice. All right. Okay. Now we're going to let them go a little bit here. Let them crisp up on the bottom there, and we'll flip them over maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, let's spin them around a little. Get that near the burner here, you know. Okay, that's better. That one in the middle there is probably going to get done quicker. Okay, let's see how we're doing here with that little one here. Okay, that looks pretty good. This one probably needs to be flipped. Yeah, it looks nice. Okay. Let's just go ahead and flip them. Yeah, they're looking nice. All right. Okay, we'll let them go maybe another 2-3 minutes, and we'll give them a check. Okay, let's spin these guys around a little bit here and get them near the middle there. All right. Okay, that one is in the middle. We don't have to do anything with him. He's getting done quicker though. Okay, we'll let that go maybe another minute, and we'll see how they are. They smell really great. Bet you that smoked paprika that's in there, that's going to make them taste really good. Okay, it's been about another minute. Let's see how we're doing. Yeah, they're looking good. Beautiful. Nice. They're nice. Okay, we'll let them go maybe another minute here. I want to get them nice and warm and toasty. You know, crunchy. Crispy. Okay. Okay, let's see how we're doing on this side. Yeah, they're about done. How's this middle one? Yeah, he's done. Wow. Beautiful. They're nice. Okay, you gotta watch your fingers on that. I know they make a glove that you can use. I've been using like latex gloves and everything for cooking, and it helps. Okay, let's shut our burner off. And they're done. Let's get them out and we'll plate them up. Boy, they smell good. Can't wait to get into them. Let's go ahead and plate them up. Wow, they're nice. Can you see them? Boy, let me see if you can get a better view. Wow. They're really good looking. Okay. Now all we gotta do is take a taste test. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious tuna patties. Quick and easy. And with all them herbs and seasonings and the breadcrumbs and everything. And we used oats as breadcrumbs. Boy, that's going to be tasty. We also made a cucumber salad with carrots and onions. Boy, that looks nice. We also made a really nice white dill sauce. Yeah, look at that. Boy, is that good looking. Tasty too. Might as well put a little bit on here. Let's spritz that with a little bit of parsley on top. Boy, does that look good. Alright, let's just get into a little piece here. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see it? Beautiful. Boy, does that taste good. Those tuna patties there, yeah, they take the cake. They sure do. Let's try a little bit of this cucumber salad here. Yep, you can't beat this. What a dinner this is. Very good. Yeah, you know what I forgot again? Our garnish. Since we have celery in the tuna, I figure we put a couple of celery leaves right there, you know? That looks good. Why didn't you guys tell me? Yep, you can't beat these tuna patties. Boy, are they good. And with all them herbs and seasonings and the breadcrumbs and everything. And we used oats as breadcrumbs. Yeah, this is really interesting stuff here. Tastes really good. And we made this dill sauce on top here. Boy, is that good. And we put it on top of our cucumber salad here. You know? Beautiful. And you know me, we have more. In case you want extra. Okay. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? Yep, and I'm going to have a nice chilled glass of wine. That sounds good. And maybe invite a friend over. Yeah, that's good. I got to mention this Savio food processor here, the little chopper. Boy, it came in handy on this one. Savio. Okay, here it is. In case you want one, I'll put a link in the description for that. Okay. Okay guys, if you're enjoying some of these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yep, this is definitely tasty. You can't beat that. And I made too much. That's normal. Yep. Catch you on the next one.